Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the Decentraland mana chart. Some of you asked for an update. We haven't covered it for a while, so let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. Okay, so we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. Here we can navigate to our cryptocurrencies section. We also cover stocks, tech stocks, the S&P 500, all for free. So you can just register on the website if you're interested and you get access to all of these updates. In my view, a no-brainer. But today we want to take a look at Decentraland mana. By the way, let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies you want me to cover in the next few days, next week. Yeah, very important. Let me know your preferences. So let's take a look at the 2-day chart first, and we can see that this chart could still be interpreted as a so-called 1-2 setup on the long-term chart, but you can see that this sideways action really has taken a long time, and we've even broken now below the, let's say, long-term box here. We could be sort of either close to the end of this fifth wave, or we have already completed the wave 2 after a wave 1 impulse topped in 2021. We will take a look now at the shorter time frame chart, so then we can see how this subwave structure comes together. Important is that, let's say, a larger degree chart always needs to be confirmed further by the microstructure. So the larger time frame, overall context, it gives us the context. It gives us the, let's say, the playground, the playing field that allows us to understand how the microstructure can unfold, because Elliott wave consists of, there are different rules, different guidelines, and if we don't know the context, we can't really understand which sort of, let's say, wave counts or structures are applicable on the smaller time frame. So that's why we need the context. But what I want to say is that we need a setup on the smaller time frame to support that larger time frame, larger degree assumption. So if we really find support here in this region and rally in a third wave, and there's at the moment unfortunately no evidence it has started, with a break below that recent low here that formed, the chart needs to form a new upside setup that would suggest that this larger degree third wave has actually started. And overall, from a mathematical point of view, if the third wave starts from here, targets in the region $10.34 plus, maybe even $12.72 are possible, but a smaller time frame setup needs to confirm that first. That's why we're observing the microstructures to understand if the uptrend has actually already started, and also to understand the local invalidation points, because Elliott wave always gives us key levels against which we can or can't focus on higher. For example, if a certain level holds, the uptrend could be alive, but if a certain level breaks, we rather want to be out of the trade, for example, if we are currently in a trade. Now, on the larger time frame, before we dive into the 4-hour chart, you can see the $6.09 level. It would be great to get there first, but this would be a major breakout point. It's the high of 2021. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Here on this chart, you can see that we have a support area, a trading area that is currently relevant. Here we can watch for reactions. At the moment, our primary expectation is that we haven't bottomed yet, so the price likely will form another low, and then we have to watch these next support levels around 21.2 cents and 13.7 cents for possible upside reactions. You can see that this is currently being tracked as a wave 5 to the downside. The decline looks like a 5-wave move, highlighted here in magenta, and the current preferred scenario suggests that most recently here, this end of September high formed an internal wave 4. We are now setting up for lower in wave 5 of 5 of C of the larger wave 2, and then from here we need to see a first micro 5-wave move to the upside, which could give us an indication that we finally bottomed. I mean, this correction started in March. Again, it's taken a long time. The question is, do we get a nice year-end rally? It could happen, but we need to see some kind of upside momentum, an upside impulse, something that gives us some confidence that a rally is starting. And the first indication would be a break above the 37-cent level, which is the swing high that formed earlier this year around July, August. I think it's end of July actually. And then, we would like to see a break above it. If that breakout happens a little bit earlier, then we have in the alternative scenario already bottomed, but there is currently, I don't think, any indication for it. There's absolutely no evidence for it. The rally from the August low is also corrective, and it looks really like a sideways internal wave 4 correction before one more final dip. Before then, the chart has a rally, a chance for a rally. And this magenta wave 1 to the upside should then be another 5-wave pattern on the micro level. So yeah, that's the update about Mana Decentraland. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrency or other asset you want me to cover in the videos next week. Also, don't forget to register on the website, and yeah, have a great weekend. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.